KidKraft Waterfall Mountain Train Set and Table. Learning is fun with the KidKraft Waterfall Mountain Train Set and Table. The wide, generous children's play table is kid-sized, for hours of creative play for young minds. Features: 120-piece set, 3 storage bins, 3 durable red plastic bins that slide under the table for effortless storage, specialty molded edges to prevent chipping, silkscreen landscape playboard, 1-inch lip to keep toys on the play table, sturdy construction, composite wood table and accessories, solid wood train track, and plastic accessories. These metal brackets fit together and along with the crossbeam and tabletop make an extremely strong table. No washers, screws, or even tools. It was together in less than 5 minutes. In fact, getting the pieces out of the box was harder than assembly. This table is extremely well packaged. The train tabletop is engaging and well thought out, providing many places for your vehicles to travel and avoid, like the painted lake. The top is thick and hard to scratch up. Each part is wrapped with a foam wrap. Then all parts that could cause damage to other wood parts, like the metal brackets, are covered in thick cardboard to prevent any damage or bending of the brackets. The table is beautiful, a great honey color that goes perfectly with kids' room. Table was easy to assemble, less than 30 minutes. Instructions are clear and easy to understand and illustrate every step. However, if you want a great train set and a table to keep everything elevated and organized, this deal is too good to pass up. The train set is really amazing and more than you expected. The elevations are really smooth. The variety of extra pieces is mind-boggling. You get cars, trucks, a steamroller, an airport with helipad, a helicopter, an airplane, a runway, a crane with girders that can be hooked and unhooked. One-dimensional police station, fire station and hospital, about, trees, people and lots of signs. It is very sturdy, easy to put together and a nice train set. To purchase KidKraft Waterfall Mountain Train Set, please visit the link in the description. For more video uploads, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. And don't forget to support this video by giving your like for this video. Please click like button below. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.